Welcome back, everybody. Today, we're going to go over how to use Trello for game development. Be sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any of the step-by-step actions you need to take. First, go to Trello.com and log in. This will load your dashboard with all of your boards inside your workspaces. At the very top, click on Create, and from the menu, choose Start with a template. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Explore More Templates. This will bring up a full list of templates you can browse. In the search bar, type Game Development. You'll see a template called Game Development appear. Click Use Template, name it something like Game Development Board, and then hit Create. Now your new board is ready. Inside this template, you'll find lists like milestones, bugs, brainstorming ideas, and roadmap. This structure acts as a workflow for your game creation process. You can also create new lists if you'd like. For example, you could add a to-do list. Once you have cards in your lists, you can easily move them around by dragging, like moving something from bugs to to-do. If you don't need a list anymore, you can archive or delete it. Next, let's talk about labels. Cards in this board already have colored labels to help categorize them. If you'd like to create your own, click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Labels. From here, create a new label. For example, I'll make one called Tasks Pending and set it to light blue. Now, when you open a card, click on Labels, select Tasks Pending, and it will be applied. That way, you can visually mark bugs or tasks that are still pending. And that's it. This is the basic workflow for game development inside Trello. You can expand on it, customize your lists, add team members, and build out your roadmap as your project grows. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe, and as always, I will see you next time.